welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about Misty. Now, there's a T-shirt line that she heard allegedly that's coming out that says, "Stagnancy will not be my portion." Allegedly, Marcia said that that was going to be made or is made, and that would have been referring to her. She's saying that she's not stagnant because she is, living her life to the fullest, and she doesn't fall in that category. She's saying that our government takes care of everything, will take care of anyone that's in need if that's the case. If that's the case, and you know, um, the Americans needed help, they would have been covered. Their doctor bills, their housing, everything would have been covered. So she has no need to worry. She's also saying that it's because of these stagnant people that are living in America. Why? Um, her charity was, been given money, and that most of these people, they send money to send other people to school, and they have their own relatives that they wouldn't send that money to. She's saying that most of these people too, that she is getting these monies from, they're struggling, and they have to work really, really hard to get that money to send to her. But guys, you would need to go and catch the video because there's a lot of things that Marcia is touching on. And like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as you already know, have yourselves a beautiful day. Lovelies.
Knowing that the same stagnant people in America and them put you where you are today. To extend your piece of whole folk where you have in the gully side. The same stagnant people them. It's only few established people assisted you. But majority, 90% of the people them that put your little big black ugly ass where you is are stagnant people them. We are struggle. And at least if we're America, we're stagnant, we're better than you in any position. Because you have to depend on our US dollar to give what you have. You understand? And as much as with America stagnant, our government take care of us. If we're sick tomorrow, we are going to a good hospital, go lie down in our bed by ourselves. You understand? We are going to get food stamp. You understand? We are going to get hospital bill covered. Our government is going to give us a place to live with our children. You understand? Have a better future, a better education. And the statistic don't have to fall when them left high school, then go get pregnant and make big man rape them off and sex them off and give them pitney. You understand? So our stagnancy in America, it is living a middle class life in Jamaica. You get that? So when you get up now and think you write t-shirt off of me, you ain't writing no t-shirt off of me. You ain't writing no t-shirt like me. Because you can't live the life for me I live. You're in a bandage. You don't have, you're there with people, man. You sit down half in a little piece of hot house every day, a fan. You push up your breast up in your ear till they almost give you a heart attack. You're not going away more than you go buy a little food and come back and drive downtown and come back. You can't even go away. You can't even go in a good establishment in Jamaica go relax yourself. So what you do? You're under man government. Me free to do what I want to do. I live my life and you not live your life. I mean, she attack. The stone don't have to knock me. Let me make sure I block you. The stone don't have to block me. But I mean, she attack. And me and them in a war. Good morning. Good morning. And me and them in a war. So me know say me she talking and knock me knock every last one I know. We are support her. It knock she because she's still stagnant. Because if YouTube cut off her monetization right now, shit, them have to carry her go down a Bellevue where they close to her house. Me now ask you. Yeah. You wait, you are in the same position from Sunday and still cursing. Man, block you. Yes, I have something for that. At least my ass free to go when me go, when me want to go. Thank you very much. Me know say how much Jay can't give me this. Thank you so much. Yeah. So when you make t-shirts, you look a cheap ass t-shirt them. It's only a fool that buy them. Them not going nowhere. The only people is going to buy those t-shirts are the people them when don't like me. And them stagnant and jealous and bad man. Me can't live like me. Eh? So stagnant will never be your portion. Bondage will never be my portion. People telling me what do it, never telling me what to do it, never be my portion. Independent will always be my portion. Now you're not independent. So when time you come and write t-shirt and something, make sure you can spell them and know the meaning of it. You understand? Make sure you know the meaning of it. You're an idiot. That you can't catch people. You can't catch idiot people with their hard working money. You can't catch me. And you can't catch my members, only them. That's one thing. You can't catch the idiot supporters them where you have. Where you can buy your t-shirt and knowing to them that America I'll struggle them ass to make ends meet. And you have the fucking nerve. But you gonna put stagnant on t-shirt and I insult them. You're not insulting me, come in and mind you. I them a buy your cake. And tomorrow morning then I'll find one of the bus fare figure work. So when them wear that on them shirt, are you for your people them? We are send money come give you and I support you and I send other people picnic to college and I build a house and feed them picnic and go to college. Now them cousin or them niece, now them nephew at Jamaica will sit down and want one little school fee if you go take one little trade if you go better themselves. So at them the one day you can't control nobody out here. So when them put it on, I hit them for go look into. And when they look at themselves and wear the shirt, they can look and they say, listen, but me and Marcia in the same position. We are work from paycheck, we are work away, we are run up and down in a winter, summer, fall and cold time. And they can send them money to Jamaica for go buy a t-shirt on a website for $4,000. Eh? Because you feel like you with your little narcissist self, will love attention. With your little done self. And your little cheap ass t-shirt them. You come put but stagnant will not be a portion. You know reach nowhere, bitch. And I like say, yeah? You know, sister Igla. You know, sister she get a little change and she still have a Igla mentality. You know, see a frightened Friday. I wanna put her like that and make she think that she have money. That bitch don't have nothing, her money done. That money is finished. Appear higher purchase shadow. A show off herself. That's why she have to sell the blood clot t-shirt for go pay for your BMW monthly bill. And no cash you buy that for, bitch. Come show me it. Come show me your cash. Where you pay that for. And your bill of sale. I dare you to come show it to me. I dare you to come show me your bill of sale and your title. So I hit you want to come ride off of me now. Yeah? You flat bitch. Nobody hardly watch you. Unless you come and make mischief now. Nobody hardly, you know, it's a teenager and I give a run for your money. A jealous and bad mind teenager now. You soon turn against him. Because a film page I run things now with entertainment and everything. And a married couple and I do whatever it is. And go up in a 3,000-4,000 followers. And 10,000 people come a wedding. And that I'm mad you. Make the idiot them girl and go buy a t-shirt and go make your blood clot care payment. I look like say a whole taxi in my yard now make no money. Your piece of whole cake them now make no money. Bought your right your t-shirt. You just don't sell cake and bought your sell t-shirt. Of course, you want payment. Because you're too fucking jealous and bad, man. Because you see Miss Kitty husband go buy Range Rover. Making you go buy one Range Rover too. Making you want to go buy Range Rover. Look for you. A little old dunce girl like you, but you want to come challenge people of foreign. US dollar. Look how you look. A little butterfoot girl like you. You want to come take step with people. Who the fuck you think you're taking step with? What you know about nobody, boy? Yeah? You know nobody? A US we use. You just come on the internet. You just come on the internet just the other day. You're not even there on the internet good 4 years. And you come on social media, boy, you call people stagnant. What a fucking liberty take anyways. A little butterfoot girl like you not even a good pair of blood class slippers be a draw. Till you fucking piece of old slippers lean. A damn piece of hairstyle catch your bumbo clad head side. Look like a cat if you carry blood clot bucket of water. Girl we sell fish and blood clot bread at work to survive. And you come on social media 4 years after people put you up in a one nice little place. You just start drive there, you just start build up a little house and no life. A little life. And you come on social media about your call, but you're fresh with people. You're bright. Hold on. T-Nation not feel like me. Me not have nothing against him. But me not watch his show. Me not care if T-Nation want like me. Me like me Scrumwell. I don't give a fuck about T-Nation. When you want to write up as a T-Nation don't like me. Me not care if you want to like me. And Miss Cromwell me like. Him have a public page and he run out there. And as long as me see Miss Cromwell pan it and me pass by me see it, then me do if you don't want me see him page, he block me. It's not benefiting for me because I not send one pussy clap money. Me just watch it. Say it don't matter if you're going to write and say him don't like me. Fuck you and T-Nation. Me no business you and T-Nation. Well, let me get back to this little dumb bitch right here, so. Gretel. Gretel 99, are you matter? You understand? You, me I tell you now. Me say, you soon come out and start ball. Me tell me pretty Carolina. Me say you're going to confess. Me say God will drop it down to your blood clot knee. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Jacob. I love myself. It's not about who like me. Men can't take strong woman. This little old skettle girl in both gonna make t-shirt. But stagnancy will not be my portion. If fuck you look up a cheap t-shirt them. As somebody just text me and tell me how I go, you know. And me, she said she had drop out pan. Stagnancy will never be my portion. Me live every day. And I have a good place to sleep and I have food to eat. And my car and my vehicle still a drive up and running and take me anywhere me I go. And me know say people who all have their house can live like me. Me not ask you. You understand? So it's not going to work. This stone must lick hard. You for you see you alright. You know say you was a careless one. It's a bird of a feather flock together. Yes, you say he's a dumb bitch just like a she too. You know see that? You know say he's a dumb bitch just like a she said. Hold on. You know see how that go? Of course you have to look a fool out just like you. We sit down every day. I wish and I could, I wish I would have. Because if people who sit down and take up fear and with their nonsense and whatever, people don't live the life. You see through me live life, me can't talk big and bold and broad. But you see someone who will lock up in a blood clot house like a prison and sit down in a white people house all the day having a pussy clot life and don't go nowhere more than just go to Jamaica and come back and run, go up and full up the suitcase with blood clot fish and haggard and breadfruit all like a season and carry up. I want to behave so. Eh? Eh? Tell her. You look how idiot girl get the opportunity to come out and stagnancy and still live a gully side. Go build big house right a gully side in a sewer pipe where shit water or something run down. Right a gully side. And come up and call people stagnant. Eh? Ain't not even going away. More than he drive, go down in the town and come back. Eh? Girl not even live no life, sit down on YouTube like a blood clot coronation market. And then he bought my make t-shirt, but he matter stagnant. Your friend stagnant. You know, see your friend I live America and in stagnant America, I'm a fear run God Jamaica open store down there. You know, see? Why you think? If she not do good at Jamaica, she wouldn't. If she not do good up a friend, she wouldn't run God Jamaica. That means that she want money. Why you think some people go to Jamaica for money? Then carry something go to Jamaica because they must see them want to lay away out there. They want to know when they come to Jamaica and have money because stagnancy up here. That is what it is. You're an idiot. Hold on. Hold on. Scott is now black. But stone lick hard. The girl can't lick nobody hard. She need to go beat up herself and lick up herself and go stagnant out her crusty self before she come talk nobody stagnant. You can't come a friend come call nobody stagnant. You mad? You can't call nobody stagnant. You can't call nobody stagnant. Are you people me I talk about? Not me. You only can't talk to look at idiot, non-emancipated people. Yeah, idiot. Me have something coming for you. You have t-shirt, I make my t-shirt too. You wait. You wait until it's spring come. Facebook will come mash up. Let the t-shirt war begin. If a word is gonna be flinging all over. you think say me done, me just a come. So you can't stay there. You're desperate. You are broke. You spend out the money a long time for them. They make you up a cake them for the people. They collect the money long time in advance. And I go on like you have money. You're broke. You're a broke bitch. And I go on like say you have money. Trust a piece of car. Pay down for my money and trust a car. Now you want to come ride off of my name. I ride off but you did that talk about it.